Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again.
You've always been passionate about skincare, spending hours researching ingredients, testing products, and crafting your own. Now you're thinking, what if I turn this passion into a business? The idea of creating your own skincare line is both exciting and overwhelming. You're dreaming of seeing your products on store shelves, in the hands of happy customers, and on social media. But where do you begin? Step 1, discover your niche. You realize that the skincare market is saturated, so you start by identifying what makes your brand unique. Maybe it's a focus on plant-based ingredients, solutions for specific skin concerns, or a line dedicated to eco-friendly packaging. You know that finding your niche is crucial to standing out and attracting the right audience. For me, I decided on plant-based. Step 2, research and formulate. Next, you dive deep into research. You learn about formulation, the benefits of different ingredients, and the regulations you need to follow. You might start experimenting in your kitchen, creating small batches of products, testing them, and refining your recipes. You know that quality and effectiveness are key to building a loyal customer base. Step 3, build your brand. You then turn your attention to branding. What do you want your brand to represent? You create a name that reflects your values, design a logo that captures your aesthetic, and start thinking about your packaging. Every detail matters, from the font on your labels to the colors you choose, because this will be the first impression your customers have of your brand. Step 4, plan your launch. With your products ready and branded in place, you start planning your launch. You set up a website, create social media accounts, and begin crafting your content that tells your story. You might start with a soft launch, selling to friends and family, or dive into online sales right away. You know that how you present your brand to the world can make or break your skincare. Step 5, marketing and scaling. As orders start coming in, you focus on marketing, you invest in ads, collaborate with influencers, and engage with your community online. You realize that building a skincare business isn't just about your products. It's about creating a connection with your customers. Over time, as your business grows, you think about scaling, expanding your product line, reaching new markets, and building a team. Remember, starting a small business can be challenging, but it can be achievable. Stay persistent and follow those steps, and you'll be on your way to a successful business. Follow me for more tips on how to run a successful small skincare business. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe.